Yeah, it's that time again. Hola, Fang. And today's issue is rain. Yes, it has come to my attention. We ain't getting rain. Why aren't we getting rain? I'll tell you why we're not getting rain. You want to know? The corporations. What we don't know is this is conspiracy. I felt like it's a conspiracy day. Why not? Yeah. Anyway, the rain. Why haven't we been getting rain? Been getting rain. I'll speak properly for you so you can understand, morons. Why haven't we getting rain? Been getting rain? Well, it's obvious, isn't it? Corporations. What they did is they bought all the clouds. They They bought all the low pressure systems. They they, they bought them all. The government sold them. You didn't know. No, another deal. Which government? Who knows? They're all the bloody same. So what happened is our low systems of low weather systems, which is bring in the rain. They've been sold. Currently, our rain is falling down, raining. Yes, it's raining. It's been raining in Carolina, one of the western provinces of China. Yes, this is where, because they're getting better dollar per litre of rain. This is what they've done. So our rain is falling down on someone else's land, not ours. Oh yeah, I know. It's unbelievable. No, yeah. All they're allowing us to get now is drizzle. It's, it's in the small writing at the bottom of the contract. Drizzle. Yeah. Yes. When do we get our rain back? Don't know. Our politicians could save the money, could save us, and turn around and rip up the contracts. But then they said, we're looking at billions of dollars of paying out. It's stipulated on the bottom of the contract. So they got all this money. What do they do with it? You know what they did with the money they got from the rain? They sold to the corporations. They built new channels. Yes, that's what they used it for. They built new channels. And they built a desal plant. Doesn't seem right, does it? They built a desal plant with the sale of our water, of our low weather systems. Can you understand that? I can't. I would have preferred to have our water from the sky. But now they're going to pump the water out of the sea. And then, of course, they're going to end up with all this sludge, which will pollute the coastlines. Yes, all to make a buck and to save a buck and to drought proof. Our state. I bet you didn't know that. Neither did I, until I just said it. This has been the Fang update. What does this tell you? What have I imparted today? Well, I possibly enlightened you to one of the fundamental principles of governance by politicians is do the most illogical thing for short-term benefits that achieve nothing in the end. That's what I think I did. Anyway, take it easy. This has been a Fang update. Wasn't much of an update, was it? But I did it anyway. So, there you go.